Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're about to request your Apple ID verification code. Start now. First, sign in on the device you control and make sure you have a trusted phone number or device registered. Once done, open Settings and tap your name, then choose Password and Security and request verification code. Make sure network and time settings are accurate. Apple codes rely on synced clocks, so correcting time helps avoid rejected codes. You'll receive a 6-digit code via SMS, iMessage, or as a pop-up on a trusted device. Check all channels. If nothing appears, go back to Settings, right arrow Password and Security and tap Get Verification Code. This forces generation locally. Alternatively, sign into iCloud. Com and send a code that way, or open a trusted device and follow the prompt to show the code. Make sure to copy numbers exactly. Spaces and extra characters will fail. Enter the 6-digit code into the sign-in field immediately. Codes expire quickly. After success, update your trusted phone numbers and enable a backup device to avoid repeats. If the code is rejected, first check and correct the device time and time zone, then request a new code. Time mismatch is the common cause. Finally, if problems persist, use another trusted device to approve the sign-in or contact Apple support for account recovery assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.